Today's video is about the distinct attributes of Fulham's new hotspot FHSCP-UNV-12W-L-SD combination emergency driver and integrated battery. This is a linear 12-watt constant power emergency LED driver and battery in one combined unit for efficient in-fixture installation. As a standard feature, it has self-diagnostic testing to avoid cumbersome manual testing. Its emergency battery disconnect (EBD) capability means the LED load can be shut off via its test switch without physically disconnecting the battery. The main point of distinction for this 12-watt driver, however, is its small size that allows it to physically fit into luminaires where other products simply can't fit. At just 12.5 by 1.63 by 1 inches, it measures smaller than most competitors' 10-watt units. As a linear emergency driver and integrated battery with this small form factor, it is well suited for things like linear high bay fixtures, troffers, thin architectural fixtures, vapor-tight fixtures, and more. If you have any questions about this Fulham emergency solution, please contact your Fulham rep for more details. And remember to follow us on LinkedIn to never miss an update.